1998 marked the 50th anniversary of Jubilee, which since then have attracted nearly 90,000 people. Jubilee is a festival of the arts and humanities, which is held to raise the level of awareness for the Nichols community and southeast region of Louisiana. I talked to Jubilee coordinator to find out a few things to look forward to this year.
Well, sometimes there is a contest. Can we call it a contest? Because there's one thing at one time, there's another thing at another time. Which one are you going to do? For instance, one of our most fabulous events at Nichols is our Cajun Swamp Stomp event. People come, they dance, they eat. We have wonderful people who are selling their wonderful artwork all over down by the football stadium.
This is the 65th year of the Jubilee celebration. Each year, the festival has slightly changed or remained the same to keep with the historical tradition that has helped it last this long.
Sometimes we have the same things every year, like Ronnie Cole is coming again. He's a great pianist, and he was here last year, so we're having him again. But something simple that we had different is we have more films this year.
In the archive section of Eleanor Memorial Library, to help commemorate Jubilee, this room was dedicated to all films shot in Louisiana.
The Singers of United Land. This is only their 8th year that they're coming to Nichols State University. But every year they come from different countries.
If you haven't gotten involved in this year's Jubilee celebration, you still have time. The celebration and the festivities don't end till April 27th. If you're curious as to the places and times to where you can take part in these events, pick up one of these pamphlets anywhere around campus. For NTW News, I'm Chris Johnson.